In an unsophisticated manner, what is a mid-position coin with the ticker QNT that has a kind of present value of 101.52 and a market capitalization of 1,225,626,991? Digital currencies have a particularly long past. The reason for being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors these days is that it's a resource class that is explicitly directed and surprisingly taken on as lawful delicate in an unpretentious way. Some genuinely huge venture banks in any case procure Quant and fundamentally other digital currencies as a group to generally safeguard their resources under administration on against the jogging expansion that handicaps the now is the time to primarily uncover, or short-term, mid-term, and long-term expectations of the improvements on the QNT market that rely on the readings of our extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that explicitly assists us with measuring the market feeling and generally anticipating where the market intends to go. Certainly further appearance how digital forms of money truly have long passed the rationale for being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in a massive way. At this point, the price of Quant is generally 101.52, while the coin is currently ranked 41st, and the said positioning is evaluated based on the resource's fundamentally present value, which is duplicated by its certainly current market capitalization, an equation that is generally used all through all monetary business sectors in a generally large mannequin. On August 4, the price of Quant was generally at 102.27 at the end of the trading period, during which the price change essentially summed up to 1.85, really contrary to popular belief. 7 days previously, on July 29, QNT was officially valued at 106.35 cents, implying that the pricing had actually fluctuated by 0% since then. Particularly notice how Quant essentially is a mid-position coin with the ticker QNT that fundamentally has an incredibly present worth of 101.52 and a market capitalization of 1,225,626,991, which fundamentally is truly critical. A month ago, on July 5, a market participant set the price of Quant at 104.97, implying that the coin has made a 3.29 move to reach its current position. The examination of market capitalization generally conveys equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors in an unpretentious manner, as a similar numerical methodology sort of is utilized to fundamentally decide the exceptionally generally position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks. For example, changes in market capitalization positive or essentially negative in a genuine sense are likewise demonstrated. Clues at its future exhibition showing how our administration constantly screens any advancements in these three areas with the goal that our clients certainly get the most relevant information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios, or so they truly thought to truly decide the particularly current market capitalization of QNT. We, for the most part, duplicate the flowing stockpile. The boundary that will particularly be made sense beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related to QNT arrived at 11,347,565 in an unpretentious manner recently on August 4. The normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the end of the exchanging time frame remained at 18,776,625 and in an unobtrusive manner 7 days prior on July 29. How much QNT that was fundamentally traded between market members was assessed at 20,900,976, particularly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Now comes the key opportunity to comprehend completely the substance of the crypto unpredictability file. QFIX, because it is a feature of our cost expectation model that allows us to accurately estimate how Quant will behave over the next 1 to 5 years. Despite popular belief, QFIX is unquestionably the result of the careful work of our team of market specialists and programming designers who came up with a truly remarkable equation for measuring and forecasting normal market unpredictability, and enhanced it with a creative kind of profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market data to basically convey the best Quant cost expectation in the index stands at 1,225,626,991, which frames the reason positioning that has before been mentioned in a substantial way. On August 4, QNT specifically had a market capitalization of 1 234,636,699 in a major way, continued to be weak on July 29. The market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at 1,283,942,723, essentially in contrary to common thought. On July 5, a month previous, the market value of Quant was estimated to be 1,267,326, truly 170. Total stock considers the quantity of coins that have previously been delivered by various means, such as mining, which in a real sense shows that 7 days prior on July 29, how much Quant that was explicitly traded between market members was assessed at 20,900,976 versus the most certainly thought these digital currencies can be used for in every practical sense. Despite popular belief, dynamic exchanging is kept in financial backers' wallets or with caregivers in every practical sense. This type of measurement additionally considers the coins that have been deliberately gotten rid of through the cycle known as consuming, which is used to control the expansion rate, or so they essentially thought at this point. The total supply of Quant generally is laid out at 14,881,364 Quant, or so they certainly thought eventually. The circling supply is utilized to, for the most part, work out the market capitalization and generally evaluate Bitcoin price prediction as BTC falls to support level of $26,000 by the dip. In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, the price of Bitcoin is currently around $26,051. On Tuesday, it went down by 0.25%. Even though the way the market works is still changing, recent events and factors have caught the attention of both buyers and fans. Legalizing U.S. penalties against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform is a big deal. This is a big deal in terms of regulatory measures. Also, Craig Wright's claims that there are billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin have been met with skepticism and rejection by the group of people who work on Bitcoin. In the middle of all of this, the growing popularity of ordinary transactions is making NFT supporters question the supposed fall of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price change is being looked at in the context of this complex mix of factors, which raises the question of whether the current drop is a good time to make smart purchases. Sanctions against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform are approved by a U.S. judge. The BTC/USD exchange rate is going down because a federal judge backed U.S. penalties against Tornado Cash, a decentralized cryptocurrency platform. The U.S. Treasury Department put sanctions in place last year because of allegations of money laundering and helping harmful cyber activities. This made people even more worried about the effects of regulation on the crypto industry. Also, the fact that Coinbase is